In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share screen in Webex meeting. To get started, open the Webex app and make sure you're already inside an active meeting. This is important because the screen sharing controls only appear once the meeting has begun. If you don't see the meeting toolbar right away, move your mouse over the meeting window and the controls should appear along the bottom. Next, look for the share icon on that bottom control menu. It looks like a rectangle with an upward pointing arrow. This is the button that lets you present content to everyone else in the meeting. Go ahead and click it, and a pop-up window will open with your sharing options. At this point, you'll choose exactly what you want other participants to see. If you select Screen, Webex will share your entire desktop. This is the best choice if you plan to switch between different programs, browser tabs, or files during your presentation. Just keep in mind that anything visible on your screen may also be visible to attendees, so it's a good idea to close anything unrelated before you begin. If you choose Application instead, you'll share only one specific window, such as a presentation, document, or spreadsheet. This option is useful when you want to stay focused on one app and avoid showing desktop notifications, background items, or other open windows. It can also make your presentation feel a little cleaner and more controlled for your audience. Once you've selected either screen or application, click the Share button in the bottom right corner of the pop-up window to go live. As soon as you do, your chosen content will be visible to everyone in the meeting. That's all there is to it. If you choose the right sharing option for what you're presenting, screen sharing in Webex is quick, simple, and much easier for your attendees to follow.